Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Slack for team communication. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So simply all you need to do is to already have a working space for your Slack. So after creating your working space, you will be able to start creating channels for your team or for your group. So simply you will be need just to go to channels and from here you can create a channel and now we can use a blank channel. You can also have like choose anything from these templates, but let's just stick with blank channel. So let's just name it team name and basically you're just giving it a name and it will be private since you want like to make these channels just for a team for example, and you can make it public so as the members of all the working space or for all the business can uh, access to this channel. So let's just leave it as private and from there you will be adding the member of your team. So let's just skip for now. Now that you have like added the channel for the member of team, you can start like communicating. And basically everyone from the team can start like chatting here. And you can also add some features to this channel so it can have more utilities. For example, you can add canvases. And basically canvases can be such a guide or it is like the Notion. If you are familiar with using Notion, you will find like canvases are easy to work with. So here you will have a heading, for example, to-do list, for example, and from here you will have some kind of a to-do list or like a checklist, and let's just add and basically let's just use it again. So we want checklist and let's have something and something, etc., etc. Basically, you will be each one of the team can interact with this Canva, and you can add as many things as you would like. And basically, even in messaging, you can start like tagging the people, do whatever you'd like. So basically, that's it. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.